Okay guys, so I am here at the Peace, Love, and Van meetup, and I just stumbled across the Maine Lobster truck. It is Maine Lobster Rolls and More. So I spoke to the owner and I asked him about the crab cakes, and he told me that they're great, that I will not be disappointed, but he's only here today. So I'm going to go ahead and get a crab cake here for dinner tonight, and then tomorrow Charm City truck is going to be here, and I'm going to get their crab cake tomorrow, and then we are going to compare and we are going to see which one's the best. Born and raised in Baltimore, I should know what good crab cake is. So see you guys later around 5ish. So I want my crab cake, and we're going right there, up there, and we're going to go to the Maine Lobster truck. We're going to order crab cake, and I'm going to let you know how it is. And we're going to see if this crab cake is better than Charm City crab cakes, which will be tomorrow. So let's go get the crab cake, take it back to my SUV, and we'll go ahead and try it out, and I'll let you know how it is. And then tomorrow we will get another one.
Beautiful crab cake with the homemade potato salad. It's gonna come to $25.35 total. Okay. Slide that right in the bottom there. I was gonna beat that you a whole bunch. It'll say remove card when it's all set.
Okay.
No, it is going to ask if you'd like to leave a tip.
Oh yeah.
You can hit whatever you need in the big blue button at the bottom.
If I don't like the crab cake, I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
I was going to say, please come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, seriously, if you don't like it, you let me know.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it. We stand behind our stuff 100%.
Okay, all right.
But you're going to love it.
Okay, so I move to the right?
Move to the right. Get out of the way.
It better be good.
Yeah, you got it all. Comes in like a little plastic black shell. You can take a fork full of two if you want.
Just have her slide right over here.
Let's say remove card.
Okay. All right, guys, there it is before I drop it. Okay, let's go take it. Thank you so much.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
It smells and looks like a good one. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit right here, even though no one is here. I'll be the only one sitting here, but you know what? I don't care. So what do you guys think? Tell me that doesn't look like a good crab cake. Okay, but here's the test. Okay, this first bite was pretty damn good. Let's try another one. Oh my gosh, guys. I've lived in Florida almost 6 years, and I have never had a crab cake that tasted good in Florida. So look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm home. Oh my gosh, now I have to go back down there to tell him how good this is. Mm. Okay, now let's try this sauce right here. I want to tell you what it is, but I can't remember what she said. And I've had it before. Remoulade. I'll put it down so you guys can see. So let's try it real quick. I think it really is going to take the taste away because I like the taste of the crab. Mmm. Sauce is really good, but we're going to put that to the side because the crab cake is just too damn good. Look at that. Look at that, no filler. Okay, guys. So that's going to be it right now for this crab cake because I'm going to sit here and I'm going to enjoy it instead of letting you guys watch me eat. And guess what? Tomorrow we're going to try the other truck. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Now we are looking for, let's look for Charm City. Let's get that crab cake. See if it's just as good as yesterday's. Oh, there it is. See the purple? That's for the Ravens. Real Maryland food, I think. Okay. Oh, tent. Nice job, guys. All right, so it's time for Charm City Eats. Charm City crab cake. Let's get a close up of the crab cake. Well, we'll see. No filler. Okay.
Buying a ticket somewhere.
So, if you just want a crab cake, what is it that you order?
Crab cake, right here.
15?
Charm City Classic.
Charm City Classic, thank you. Yes. I don't eat seafood, so I don't know.
Is there a real?
Yeah.
Why not?
I got all excited. I thought the sun was coming out, and I didn't realize it was because I moved the thing, and I'm like, the sun's coming out! Ah! Do you hear Gyps? Gypsy's button in line.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, crab cake with fries.
Can I do a drink for you? What's your name?
Kim?
You good girl, Gypsy. You good girl.
There you go. See that? Now the props for me. And I broil them, so I just need about 10 minutes. No problem. You're videoing everything, huh?
It's I had one yesterday too. We had to try, so make sure you stack that thing up. On YouTube.
All
There
right.
we go.
Next. Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Kim?
Yes.
All right. Here you go.
Thank
honey.
you so much.
Thank you.
Have a
Enjoy.
good one. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, guys, I am back at the SUV and I am about to eat the crab cake from Charm City Eats. I dropped my fork. Okay. Oh my God, guys, look at the fries. Okay, guys, here goes. Okay, ready?
No filler. Broiled. Guys, it's good. Who needs a boyfriend? We got crab cakes. Okay. Look at that. It's like broiled around the top too. Look at that. See how they do that? Top. Okay, so here's the deal. Charm City Eats. It's just a little better. It is so good. And the reason is, I think because there's more Old Bay in the Charm City Eats one. My God. Okay. All right, now let's try some, with that sauce I couldn't pronounce. What is it? Remoulade? The crab cake from the Maine Lobster truck was really good. It reminded me of Baltimore, Maryland, but a good crab cake. Didn't have any filler. It was really good. This one from Charm City, I like a little better, but for the seasoning. And I think they might add a little bit more mustard in this one. I'm not sure if there's mustard in there or not. Okay. So yeah, I would say that Charm City's is just a little better, not a lot better. I mean, not a whole huge thing of better, but it is better. If they were both sitting in front of me and I was told, which one do you want? I would take the Charm City over the one from the Maine Lobster, even though the Maine Lobster was good. You know what? And the Charm City one is $3 cheaper, and I actually think it's a little bigger. I'm not sure the first one, the one from Maine Lobster truck, if that was 6 ounces or not, but this is 7. The Charm City Eats is 7 ounces. I'm in heaven. So Charm City Eats, apparently they're over in Tampa. So I'll have to go over there. Because 5 years living in Florida, and I have not had a decent crab cake. So I came here to the Peace, Love, and Van meetup. So now I know where to get a good crab cake. And guys, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna finish this. I have a little bit of crab cake left. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video.